Hello and welcome back to Alyena's Kitchen, where today we are actually going to be starting a 7-video series on how to balance and cleanse your chakras. This is perfect for the new year because everyone's going to be wanting to get healthy and cleanse themselves, so I thought it would be great to combine it with chakras. So we're going to be doing a bunch of tonics and smoothies and juices. So let's get started. So to start with, we're going to be doing our root chakra. This chakra is located at the base of your spine, and it is symbolized with the color red and also the element of earth. This chakra really holds all the feelings of safety and security, and it's really your foundation of who you are. So we are going to be wanting to use a lot of red colors. So today I'm using a beet, and this is a really important ingredient because it helps cleanse the blood, and it also helps move the downward motion of prana, which is life force energy. As well as we have so many vegetables here with us today that this is going to be a natural intestinal cleanser, kidney cleanser, as well as liver. So you're going to be all cleaned out after this. Also, on that note, beets do change the color sometimes when you go to the bathroom. So if you see any discoloration, don't be alarmed. On that note, let's go through our ingredients. So today I have 6 whole carrots. I didn't peel them because the juicer will do it all for me, as well as 1 beet, half a bunch of parsley, half a cucumber, 1 stalk of celery, half of a red bell pepper, half of a lemon, which I just took all the skin off of, as well as 1 piece of ginger about this large. I still have to peel its skin off, and that's all we have. One last optional ingredient to add, I'm not doing it today just because I feel like I have enough ingredients, is you can add in some garlic if you want a bit more of a spice to it. But I'm adding ginger, so this already adds a nice spice. So let's get juicing. And here we have our beautiful finished juice. It has that amazing red color, which is associated with your root chakra. And this gives you more fruits and vegetables than you need in the whole day. I'm not saying don't eat fruits and vegetables for the rest of the day. Still do that. But you are getting so many nutrients with this drink right now. So please let me know if you try it and what you think in the comments down below. And if you like these, keep watching because we're going to go all the way up the chakras, heading next to your sacral chakra. So I'll see you next time, and cheers.